Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So first up we have someone with the straws, going in with the gold paint. Oh, a lampshade. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love the mirrors down at the base. Wow. This is absolutely stunning. Definitely my personal aesthetic. Very cool. So moving on to DIY number 2. It's like they're using these clay planters, bases. So these actually have a really unique shape. Okay, so she did 1, 2, looks like maybe 3. Oh, she's making some kind of table here. Wow. Oh, that looks so high-end and beautiful. I love her home. The wainscoting in the background, very cool. Absolutely stunning coffee table. I wonder if she made that vase too. Turning designer dust bags into clothing. Ooh, this is a really cute top. So I don't actually do a lot of like fashion DIY reactions on this channel, but if you guys do want to see more, let me know. This is a really cool idea. So we have the Louis Vuitton here. Oh my goodness, look at this shirt she made. That is so freaking cute. Wow, she is really talented. I love the color, the design, the whole vibe. All right, next up we have some type of sculpture design. Looks like an old bag. Paper. And then some paper mache. This seems like it would be like a fun little like weekend project to make. So at first it seems like the sculpture was like pretty easy and simple, and then now it's kind of like, okay. A lot of steps involved. Oh, that came out amazing though. I really like the unique shape that it has. And you could spray paint this gold. The reason why I say that is because I do have something kind of similar that is gold in my home. You guys know I love gold, so yeah, I have a problem. Well, you thrifted this dreamy vintage set. So we have a furniture flip DIY. And all of that stuff, like all the vintage type of furniture has definitely made a comeback, like the wicker style furniture. It's huge right now. Wow, that looks amazing. So we'll move on to the next one. They have some foam hoops here. Looks like they're making, I had to guess, I would say some type of lantern design. Okay, maybe not. Maybe it's some type of like fancy basket. Oh, wow. Oh, it's a light fixture, like a lampshade. Oh my goodness. Wow, that was gorgeous. I wish we would have gotten a better look at it though. So this next one involves a canvas design. They're using black for this. Like a black fabric. Oh, they're draping it over two different canvases to make it like a larger piece. And they painted the background black, and then they're going over that fabric piece with the black as well. Now, typically when we see this design, we do see it in white or ivory, so I really like the twist of seeing it black. I think I've seen it in black and gold before, and that was definitely my favorite. Okay, so we see one half of the canvas there. That's pretty cool. And then we have some type of signage here someone's doing. Well, they're also going in with some black paint. Oh, they're doing like the home sign. That's pretty cute, doing like your own little DIY home sign. Instead of having the same one that everyone else has. I have that one from Hobby Lobby. I feel like everyone has that home sign from Hobby Lobby. Well, it doesn't say home, it says welcome. Oh, that's cool though, just making your own sign. Oh. Okay, so litter box hack. So you buy like these organizers. They have them at Walmart, Target, pretty much everywhere. So how is this gonna get turned into a litter box? That's pretty crazy. Okay. Now you just got to get your cat to actually go in there and use it. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like the video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.